The art of grounding, techniques for finding inner balance. Greetings, fellow seekers of tranquility and balance. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on a journey into the world of mindfulness and self-discovery, as we explore the art of grounding, techniques for finding inner balance. Join me as we unravel the essence of grounding and learn how to weave it into our lives. Grounding is not just a technique, it's an art. It's the beautiful dance between the mind, body, and the present moment. In a world that often pulls us in a million directions, grounding anchors us, connecting us to our true selves and the world around us. Our senses are the bridge to the present. We'll explore sensory grounding techniques that allow us to fully engage with the here and now. Through sight, touch, sound, taste, and smell, we'll learn how to create moments of serenity amidst the chaos. Breath is the conductor of our inner orchestra. We'll delve into the profound impact of intentional breathing on grounding. With each inhale and exhale, we find our center, quieting the mind and welcoming a sense of calm. Nature is a gentle reminder of our roots. We'll dive into the concept of earthing, connecting directly with the earth's energy. Walking barefoot, embracing a tree, or simply lying on the ground can rejuvenate our spirits and harmonize our energies. Grounding isn't confined to a single stance, it's a dynamic journey. We'll explore mindful movement, whether through yoga, tai chi, or a leisurely walk. And in the same breath, we'll celebrate the beauty of stillness, the quietude that lets us hear our own whispers. Gratitude is an anchor that grounds us in the positive. We'll delve into the power of gratitude as a grounding tool, fostering a mindset that appreciates the beauty in every moment. Crafting a grounding ritual is an art form that's uniquely yours. We'll guide you in creating your personalized ritual that aligns with your essence, helping you find balance whenever the tides of life become turbulent. As we wrap up our exploration of the art of grounding, techniques for finding inner balance, I encourage you to embrace these techniques as strokes on the canvas of your life. A masterpiece of serenity and equilibrium awaits you. If you resonated with this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, may your steps be rooted in mindfulness and your heart be anchored in peace.